Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Schola for the newcomers and for the returning subscribers. And in today's video, I have a very amazing video for you on how you can easily treat your dark spot and also your pimples instantly using these ingredients that we are going to use. So if you want to know a very good secret to use to remove them in just 7 days. Imagine 7 days. So stay tuned up to the end so you can know the secret to remove your marks and your dark circles in 7 days. So without wasting much time, I'm going to dive into the video. So the first ingredient that I'm going to use is fresh aloe vera. Aloe vera contains a lot of nutrients and antioxidants that will help your skin glow, not only remove dark spot but also treat your skin to have that good natural look that will make people ask you, what happened to your skin? What made your skin look that good? So stay tuned to know how we are going to use it. So I'm going to take one side of aloe vera like this, or even this one with the jelly part, and I'm going to use turmeric. Why am I going to use turmeric? Turmeric will help in fading those dark spots. It has a antioxidant that will give you a good looking skin. So I'm going just to pour a little bit of turmeric into my aloe vera like this. Then I just go and give it just a small scoop. After that, apply it directly to your dark spot or to your skin. It doesn't matter if you have dark spot or marks or whatever you want to treat, but it's also good to your skin. So I'm just going to apply directly like that. This can also be used to treat dark circles on your eyes. In short, aloe vera will help to treat all the skin problems that you have. It doesn't matter how you use it, either you drink it or you even apply it directly to your skin. It will help your skin amazing. Sorry for the background noise, my son is around. Yes. 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 So as I was saying, aloe vera will treat all your skin problems, and turmeric will help you to give that good look and fade all the marks in your skin. So after that, we're going to leave it like that for 30 minutes and then we wash off. So guys, after washing off, you can see how my skin is looking. So I had to do that because I have some pimples here, a bit of rashes here, so that's why I was treating my face. Another way that will help you treat all your skin problems is this fruit, lemon. So how are you going to use this lemon? I'm going to take and Vaseline, this one, Vaseline blue, and coconut oil. This is pure coconut oil. So just pick a little bit of Vaseline like this, put it on your hand, pour a little bit of lemon juice like this, then mix together. Someone will say they don't mix, but they will. After that, add a little bit, 2 drops of coconut oil, just 2 drops. Yes, mix together again. After that, apply on your face while massaging. So you massage gently on your face the mixture. If you have sensitive skin, you can dilute the lemon or skip the lemon part Mix coconut oil and Vaseline. If you have oily skin, you can use coconut oil alone or Vaseline alone. That is if you have oily skin. Don't mix the two together. They will block your pores and hence reacting to your face, because that will be too much oil on your face, including the oil that your face is producing plus the two, there will be too much on your skin. If you have dry skin, it's good for you to use both. If you have normal skin like me, you can also use both, but if you have oily skin, consider using one. So after that, you massage your skin very well. If you have fatty face like me, that massage will help you. If you have wrinkles or even if you those dark spots, it will help remove. As you know, lemon is a natural bleach. So as you can see that look, it's looking good, but you must remove it after 15 minutes. Use warm water and wash off, and then use your normal moisturizer to moisturize. So I have to remove this mine. So guys, I've just washed my face, and as you can see, even before I moisturize, my friend, my skin is glowing, my skin is looking good. So after that, I'll just moisturize. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe. If it worked for you, please comment down below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. So for today, I'm just going to use coconut oil to moisturize my skin. Some people say it darkens people, but as for me, it doesn't. So if you don't want creams to be darkening your face or to make your skin look like dull some parts, normalize scrubbing once a week or twice a week, but not more than twice a week. If you want your skin to look good, if you want your skin to always glow, always scrub your face or exfoliate your face twice a week or once a week. So without wasting much time, please, thank you for watching this video. Until we meet again, ciao.